everybody, it's Christina with My Confection Obsession, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these really beautiful and really simple Hydrangea Cupcakes. So for this tutorial, I have already baked some vanilla cupcakes. You can, of course, use any flavor that you want, but I just used vanilla. And then I have 2 different shades of vanilla buttercream, and the consistency is a little bit stiff just because I want it to hold its shape when I pipe it on the cupcake. And I used a light blue and a light purple. And I used, for this frosting, I just used Wilton gel colors. So we have 2 different shades, and I like the blue and purple look together. I've seen these done in pink and white, I've seen these done with blue and white, so just kind of whatever shades that you like. And then, this is really important, you are going to need a closed star tip. And so I'm using a Wilton 2D so you can see what it looks like here. And then I'm going to be using a disposable piping bag for this. Alright, so let me show you how to do this, and it actually is much easier than you think. I've seen some photos of these before, and it's actually a really simple technique that even a beginner could definitely do. So I use the cup when I'm filling my piping bag because it's just a simple way, like just a little trick, that when you're filling it, it makes it just less messy. And so you're going to see me do this in pretty much every tutorial that I use buttercream. So I'm just going to put the piping tip in here. Okay, so you're going to want to hold the bag over the edge here. That's why we really use the cups, because then you can see you have all the space, and it's just easier to put the frosting in the bag. So the key to this, to make this really pretty 2-color look, is we're going to actually kind of paint the inside of the bag with one color and then fill the rest of it with another color. So I'm going to go ahead and actually use the lavender, and I'm going to just paint the inside of the bag. So I'm just spreading it out here. So I'm trying to leave kind of like a hole in the middle, which I'm going to put the blue in. I'm putting the buttercream all the way down to the end of the bag. You can see that the whole inside of the bag is coated with this really pretty lavender. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to put the blue in the center of this. And we don't want to overfill our bag too much because it'll come out the end. So we're going to squeeze it down here. Alright, so all I'm going to do is I like to pipe around the cupcake first, and I'm just going to hold it next to the cupcake and pipe a star and pull back. I'm going to go all the way around. And then I'm going to do 4 stars in the middle here. And that's it, right there. So we'll go ahead and do another one. This is a super simple technique, but it definitely has that wow factor. These cupcakes are definitely perfect with spring coming up. I'm really excited. I love how they turned out. I hope you guys also enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, go ahead and give this video a like, and also subscribe to my channel below. And of course, you can find me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter.